Want to become a mermaid for Halloween? You can with my really easy foam template. Print it out, then you're going to cut it out, and you'll make 2 of them. Put it on 6mm foam, trace it with a light pen so that you can see, and cut it out with a typical box cutter and a fresh blade. Then the little dotted pieces, cut them out, and these will become the pieces that are made out of 2mm foam. See, there they are in white. There's your 2mm foam cut out with an X-Acto knife with a number 11 blade. You're going to sand it with a rotary tool and a sanding drum before you glue it, so it has a bit of a bevel. Then you're going to glue it with weldwood contact cement, put on a mask for that, for safety purposes. And you'll basically spread it on, maybe use a little piece of spare foam to smudge it. You don't want to touch it directly, and you will have to let it get tacky, and you have to put it on both pieces of foam so it kind of sticks to itself. And let it get spread around, let it get dry, and when it's looks dryish, that's when you stick it on. Then you're gonna sand it again and smooth out the edges so they're fairly even. And obviously wear your mask for this, the same mask. Now you're gonna heat seal it with a heat gun and push the edge out like you see there. And here are some 2-inch hair clips from Joanne, and I'm tracing them to know where to put the glue. And of course, same glue, same mask, same deal, smudge it on, let it get tacky, so it looks kind of almost dry but not fully, and then you'll put it on, and there you go, and make sure the clips are pointing upward. And here's the painter's tape that you're going to use to cover the clips before you put Plasti Dip on, and yes, please wear your mask again with the Plasti Dip. You do not want to inhale that stuff. Here's some of the acrylic paints I used, basically Extreme Flex mixed with Deco Art Americana paints, or Plat Effects white if you don't have the Extreme Flex. See how it's blended in a light blue base, and I'm going to coat it a couple of times. It's I use a cheap brush pack for this, just so you know you can just go over it a couple of times, and once it looks good, also do the back. Now you're going to add some white lightly. There's some pink going on there, and a lighter pink. Add some white to the pink to make it lighter. It looks better in light. The more layers you add, the better it looks. Now we're doing the navy blue that I lightened up just a little bit, and it doesn't have a lot of the Extreme Flex, so it looks a little rougher, not as smooth. You're going to go over it more than once, and just keep going at it. Do a little bit of the back too, just so it's kind of evens out, just the dark blue part. And now I'm adding the dark blue to the little edges to give it some simple shading, a little bit more of the light pink, and there you go, fish fins! Printable pattern is free on my website. Go get it!